ak boisiek samwoiwo ng'alek chokose chemi muguleldo. Kingosome kura arap sipitali ing olimbo Nyeri komakiteche Nandi. Mabaibai agere keteche university ing olimbo Nyandarua komakiteche ing bororietab Keiyo. Mabaibai kebutoni lagokyok chebo minguno ko 24 chekobwa gaa ing kenyit agenge chebo Kalenjin ak kesire chebo bororiet age. Ndakingebutan Kithinji kesir Otieno anan kesir Kesichot anan kesir Mugiriama anan kesir Turkarindet Kimototwegu kitolen gaa keam kokeny. Lakini mami kone ame kot age. Koinyoni niep Jubilee kobo chepyosok aeng. Mi chepyoset nin ako mi. Matkinyar chepyoset ninyoni bo Kalenjin. Kalya sikeboe teta. Chepyoset ninyoni kikonyalil koboe teta. Nyenekit koi teta kekweri konin ak kele mami suswek koi sipkoityi olin sikokaikai koitoni. Kyoyonye ng'alechu mayo chekikiryeche chekingoibu teret kapkogo keibu beek. Koibu mermerek keibu beek. Nekakochobok mayek ketoi kele kimache rokoret agenge. Ako kule biik amemuwech sikeribisya kele okany kabe kenyit okany. Kamache amuote amu mama nafasi sokochi mheshimiwa Arap Lagat. Kingamwa ng'alechu bunge chechang. Iyani wabunge chechang. Lakini chechang kolen ongemuite akesapte situngenam emet 2022. Moesei akosoe akine kenam emet 2022. Asoe bet ak kemboi kenam emet 2022. Kikilecho muitaet nekimuita Arap Moi kot konam emet 1978. Kimuita for 12 years. But I want to inform you, his sacrifice for 12 years and patience for 12 years is because it was constitutionally strengthened. Moi knew that it was automatic when it reaches a time that Kenyatta will not be there, he will become president automatically. Lakini ninyoni kilo muita ko 2022 kokerkeit Arap Moi. Kimuita Arap Moi amu kikole katiba betut ni kelil Kenyatta koiku president Arap Moi. Oribe kolingo. Wakati nimesema mengi, wengi wamerandaranda wakasema mimi nataka kufuja familia ya Kalenjin, nataka kuharibu URP, sina siji Jubilee. Mimi ndio Jubilee damu na mimi ndio nitahakikisha Jubilee inatengeneza serikali kule mbele. And it is only the truth that is going to set us free. This Kenya is a country that is made up of over 42 tribes. We have over 47 counties. We have every race that is living within Kenya. And every individual that is living in Kenya has a stake. We want to make them proud to be Kenyans like others. We want the couriers of this world, the couriers of Kenya, to feel that they are part of government. We want the Kabra, the Somalis, the Nubians, the minority Nubians from Southern Sudan to feel that they are part of Kenya. Because we are addressing national unity and we want cohesion, and it is only through equity and transparency, lack of corruption and devolution that is going to make us strong as a united Kenya. Okase, mami chi amami emet nekiko walak in the world. You can start from Canada to United States of America, United Kingdom, Scandinavian countries, Asian tigers, even the success countries, the success stories of African countries, the South Africans, the Malawans, the Egyptians, the Nigerians, all of them are transformed through real devolution. There is no other shortcut to develop a country. Mami oretake ke ibrabini ko bokao. Magi muti ki magetok chemi Nairobi. Magi muti. Onge ibu rabini tukul ko bokao. Ni ko tuya chepon. The enemies of devolution are those who really struggle to ensure that you remove Chepkwony. Those are the enemies of the... You don't need rocket science to understand the enemies of devolution. Okase bigak sikize. Orip Chepkwony. Mi biik che kose tebut ngalekab county government sikiwekta tugul koba national government. Sikechorso. Mwai saking. Kilipani chito tya makingen kele ngo. Siketep kele kabile ngo chito kono. Kokelipan ngo. Makingen. Lakini kichop ke kabisa tos yachen chito nemengen. Akile kokoyacha kabisa. Koyak tena no. Koirwotitoi. Kokoliane melipan irwotitoi sino barabini. Otarchino akarwotitoi. Anane. Amache kimwochige wabunge wale wenye wako hapa. Tukae pamoja. We might even start now functions so that we meet with the elders, we meet with we need national dialogue. Let us sit together as Kenyans so that we address the issues and the challenges that are facing Kenyans. Onge tebia gengala kimwochige ukweli. Ukase kongo osire Kericho County chebendi KDF chebendi yami osire tipte maglo kokiyambuneke koko osire 300 ateke le si sara gode ati muitaji me tiara magia jo mogule kato guis murene kinebe nebunu Nandis koma botale mbeita amujumbe nebo ligi kikonorchi ko italele bakap samo amujumbe nebo ligi kikonorchi arab serone amujumbe nebo ligi kikonorchi chelagan mutai akabunu Nandi ole bunu Bishop Muge. Serious Kenyans who had no nonsense. Kongo inyagori sis. Mary Kiarab kete amagi muwa ki gitar menjo ki gitar kapsanga le datang menjo ko. Mama jake konor bayana nyake testaglem beta. The reason why we share the same platform, that we share the same manifesto, because he believed in transforming this country. And that's the same reason why the voice of reasons from the elders made him a chairman. Because he was a good person. Let us take the positive side that he really addressed at the time. Okay, get to kiki maje Joseph. Semaki konor. Gemo me to mami chini konye. Tito kulkole na majo obsenkwe. Nyegileji atache bendi sai. Magumeje kwa itata. Pomo mnyeko takeke na amuja me biglem beje. Siko tanda na ore ne wendi kipsengwe komu mami wike bendi. Ki baro yore ne mami chini bendi. Anane. Tame biglem beje. Sinye ko se bigi nyukole ongeri serikali. Magiri be serikali, ribe serikali. I want you to understand that the government takes care of its citizens. The citizens, the only responsibility of the citizens is to develop a peaceful environment for the government to work. Only that. And to contribute through taxation. Period. The rest is left for government. Okasa komye? Kasi ngwong ko ribu salama matkobirge jobchi atyo leban ushuru. Tax. Kubro. Ori bako togo jemnyandos kinya. Ori bilago kemeko ba school. Oh, be school. Imagine can you say no? I mean not time. Nali dosi. Kila ebi kunyo. And you've seen even the national government has wrong priorities at the laptops. I have schools where children study under the tree and you want to provide them with laptops. Those are misplaced priorities. Because the people who are running this nation have lost touch with realities. Magongen. Kikisi jagsare lak agimbo agtugu keja. Mengen dabu ne bagi molo ne kakap chobi ne kak nyonya kak tabu sek tukul. Mengen gele kwamin tutu yat ko une mengen sinet mengen ki. Pike korgemon. Katar. Kisa yan gebe akjubilichu ko tugu gae. Netai ko kikisirchi ne ko name kono. Mami chine maje ko mo. The only reason that we voted for Jubilee and supported Jubilee is because we had an MOU that was written and it was signed before our lawyers. That's the only reason that we are together. if you are not basing your engagements to that MOU, then you have no business, because this is a coalition of parties, not individuals. It is United Republican Party is a national party. The National Alliance is a national party. And it has stakeholders. It has membership and it has structures. Let us engage the structures to give solutions to the problems that are facing one age. Those are the only. Ang nabuhayan ko yung galagigami, managin na wagero le. Anggo, nugo wajeme ko maya. Ngap ko jam jam tugu nyugo le. Ko muju ko ruke no tugu ke buana sosiat ke tak kiga bianga. Wana mribo ko. Kiki ke diskele ji jiga na me ni mita. Ko ngap ko jam jam tugu ko le gido. Ko ya garu ke nu janu tugu ke be li sosiat ke nu jebe ndia limbo in Baringo ke nu jebe dinande ko na. Ajege tege ruitosi. To maguru. Buana ga je chok ke replace na kichwa. Oge buta lago kyo kecha. Ora tunwe kikyo I ko changi motese tai. Ogi to ogi baki amatese tai. Ko whatever up ketero le lazima ge muamanda. It is only the truth that is going to change us. And the unity that we wanted of the Kalenjin community is for the betterment of the citizens. Apiga Kalenjin. Anane ngataji mheshimiwa. Ne bajesume gongo ingo berroga multainde.